Hi everyone, I'm Dr.A.NAGALAXMI, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce with Finance in Dr.S.NSRCAS College of Arts and Science, Autonomous, Coimbatore. I am here to explain a simple problem in cost sheet. So there is a problem and there is a solution for it. From the following particulars of a manufacturing concern, ascertain the prime cost. So prime cost is to be ascertained with the available information. See, opening stock of raw material is 20,000, closing stock of raw material is 30,000, purchase of raw material is 1,05,000, import duty paid on raw material purchased is 15,000, carriage inwards 5,000, primary packing materials 3,000, protective wages 95,000, opening stock of work in progress at prime cost is 17,000, closing stock of work in progress at prime cost is 10,000, higher charges paid on plant is 14,000, other chargeable expenses is 6,000. So with the available information, we are supposed to ascertain the prime cost. See, opening stock of raw material. So we should prepare a statement showing the calculation of prime cost. For that we have to allocate a particulars column and two amount column. That is one amount column, that is inner column to make the calculation, and outer column is to ascertain the value. So opening stock of raw material is 1,05,000. With that we have to add the purchases of raw material. Opening stock of raw material is 20,000, which is written in the outer column. Add purchases of raw material. These calculations has to be done in the inner column. 1,05,000. Add import duty 15,000. Carriage inwards, it is 5,000. Primary packing material, it is 3,000. So these things are to be added together, and that amount is to be shown in the outer column. The total of the amount is 1,28,000. That will be added with the opening stock. We get 1,48,000. From that we have to less the closing stock of raw material 30,000. We get raw material consumed 1,18,000. So this is nothing but the direct material. If the direct material, the word direct material and the value is not given in the sum, we have to make the calculation to find out raw materials consumed. Next is direct wages. We have direct wages. So how much is the direct wages? 95,000 is the direct wages. That is to be written in the outer column. Next we have to add direct expenses. Direct expenses, here they have given some items based on direct expenses. That is higher charges on plant 14,000, other chargeable expenses 6,000. I have to add these two in the inner column. That amount is to be shown in the outer column, and we have to add along with the raw materials consumed, direct wages, and this 20,000 in order to get the value 2,33,000. So here they have given the work in progress is to be valued at prime cost. So we have to add the opening stock of work in progress at prime cost with 2,33,000. Then I will get the value 2,50,000, and we have to less the closing stock of work in progress at prime cost, that is 10,000. So we have to less that amount, we get prime cost. So here is a very clear and very expandable calculation of prime cost with the available information. Here the direct material is not given, so we found out the raw materials consumed. Then we make the calculation of prime cost. Before that, here in the sum they have given the opening stock of work in progress and the closing stock of work in progress at prime cost. So we have to make the calculation before ascertaining the prime cost so that we get the prime cost. So this sum gives a clear idea about the calculation of prime cost, and it is a very simple sum. I think you all have understood. Thank you so much for the patience listening.